Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a video on the unboxing and the installation of this Havells Ventilator DB exhaust fan. So let's start. So you can see some information is written here. Have a look. Then some exclusive features of this fan is given here, like it's double ball bearings, and then it has got a 2-year warranty. And let me show you the price and the model name etc of this fan. So the one thing that is good about this fan is that this is manufactured by Havells itself. Like other brands exhausts are mostly manufactured by third-party companies. This is manufactured by Havells itself. So that's all to show in the box. Now let's go on with the unboxing of the fan. So this is the warranty manual. You can see the terms and conditions are written. Packed nicely. So this is the exhaust fan. As you can see, this has a pista green color, unlike other exhausts which are grey, brown or black. This is an exclusive color they have given. The build quality is really good, and you can see the blades are really thick here. They have big bolts also here, you can see. Now let me show you the specs plate of the fan. Then here serial number is written. Then this is the grill of the fan. So you can see the grill is a little bit dented because this came through Amazon, and Amazon gives stupid packaging and transportation. That is the problem. Then you can see that the one thing I noticed that is good about this fan is that the cord, this has a thick 0.5 square mm cord, like other companies give 0.4, 0.3, and this has an earthing also. Like the bodies of the exhaust fan should be earthed, whichever company's fan it should be. So now let's do a test run of the fan. You can see that the airflow is really good and the speed is really high. It goes up to 1400 RPM. So you can see I have disassembled the capacitor cover. This is the capacitor cover, and then this is the capacitor. This is a Globe 2.25 capacitor. Before, Havells used to give its own capacitors, but now they started giving Globe 2.25 microfarads. Before they used to give 2.5, I think. I think this capacitor is only needed for the new exhaust, I think. And then you can see that I have inverted the screws here. This is to remove the bird screen, so that the screw, if I don't invert the screws will poke out and I can't install it in my window, and the bird screen is not going through my window. That's why I disassembled it. Then one thing I'm absolutely impressed is that they have a good bakelite connector, like a thick one, like it's rated for 6 to 8 amps. Like it's the connector that is given in the industrial exhaust, like the Aranad HT, but in normal domestic exhaust like Usha Turbo DBB or the Crompton Transair, they give a very bad quality connector with small connector pins rated for 2 to 4 amps. They give good quality one here. And then you can see this is the thing. The thing is given to the motor screw. the body is earth, it can be secure, the fan is secure, that's a good thing. So you guys can see the original grill of the fan was not fitting inside the hole. This is the hole. So what I did is I put the Alnod medium duty grill. So I drilled 4 holes to enlarge in the grill. Then I drilled holes over there, also one more hole, because the dimensions of this frame is entirely different from the dimensions of the square frame. Like the square pointed frame, this oval type frame, the circular frame, dimensions are different. So I had to drill holes with my drill machine. So let's see the final product. So guys, this is my exhaust fan after installation. So you can see I used GI wire to tie it up, because drilling hole on this aluminium was not a good idea. So I used GI wire to tie this up. The cable quality is good, and then the quality is good, but the quality of this legs and then this arms are not good. So you can see this grill is not the original grill of Havells. This is the Alnod medium duty grill, bird screen I mean. And let me show you the label once more. Okay, then the problem, I'll show you now what is the problem during the running of the fan. Let me turn it on and show you. You can see that it's madly shaking, it's shaking very badly. So basically what's the problem is that this fan is shaking very badly. This is because the blades are bent somewhere, like the ratios of the 4 blades, like the distance from the frame or the distance from the arms is not equal. The ratios are not equal for all the blades. That's why it's vibrating. You can see how badly and madly this is vibrating. Okay guys, so my friend Sauradeep Biswas from YouTube, he has a YouTube channel named Sauradeep Biswas. He does unboxing of stuff. He will explain what happened actually.
So hello guys, I am Sauradeep Biswas. So today I will going to be discussing some exhaust fan related topics and obviously the Satvik Jacobs purchase. So the first thing is that regarding the best double wall bearing exhaust fan in India is obviously the Crompton Grips Transair, and second comes probably the Almonad IO, that's a reversible one, or the Almonad Ventair, whichever might be applicable. I never personally experienced Almonad, but whatever might be, it's a double wall bearing product, so it will obviously be good, but don't buy local stuff as it is very bad. Now the third option is Havells. So Havells is also a good product, and Havells Ventilator GBB that I am talking about. So the thing is that regarding the top 3 or top 4 exhaust fan is the Crompton Transair, the Almonad IO, or the Almonad Ventair. You may also consider second option as a Havells Ventilator GBB, but the GBB Neo is just better version. So obviously that one. The third one is, I will keep the regular Havells one, and the fourth one will be of Usha AeroClean. That's the previous name was Turbo double wall bearing, now AeroClean Plus or whatever might be. So whatever, let's discuss what Satvik has bought. So Satvik has bought Havells Ventilator GBB 12-inch exhaust fan. So I will say the exhaust is quite good exhaust fan. He purchased it from Amazon. So the disadvantage of Amazon is that they just ruins the fan by having a pretty jerky and bad delivery, because Satvik has received exhaust fan physically in little bit bent condition, means the frame legs were bent and the blade is also bent. So when he installed the fan and ran the fan was vibrating like hell. So the thing is that regarding the Havells Ventilator, it's the frame legs are totally, means it's very inferior quality, but the motor and the blades are quite good. But the frame legs, the 4 legs that is present in an exhaust fan is very weak. So it's so weak. Satvik will attach a clip, you can see it. So the thing is that regarding the best build quality exhaust fan, I will recommend the Crompton Grips Transair, both the Navi Mumbai make and the Solon make, because both the exhaust fan have very good build quality. And secondly, I have no experience, but Satvik and some other YouTubers also claiming that Almonad IO and Almonad Ventair also have some good construction. So whatever, and in bad construction exhaust fan, the Havells is the first Havells Ventilator DBB, because the 4 frame legs are the basic part of an exhaust fan. So it's bad. And the second one is of Usha, because I have a 2010 Usha Turbo, and the square frame where in between the blade sits, that square frame is very inferior quality, but the legs are very good. So whatever might be, let's talk about the after sale service of Havells regarding Satvik. So Satvik, after purchasing the fan, so Satvik tested the fan and it was the blades were hitting the frame. So we did some DIY stuff and just repaired the fan, means whatever might be. After that, what happened? When he installed the fan was vibrating like hell. So I said him just to contact the Havells Care or the Havells Service Center. So he contacted the Havells Service Center. The Havells Care is a very good in after sales service. They are like Crompton, because means if you call in the morning, they will give you a feedback in the evening. So Satvik called the Havells customer care and they arrived, their technician arrived in time and they saw the exhaust and they said the blade needs to be replaced, and they said within 1 to 2 working days they will arrive with a new blade and they will fix the fan. So let me say you some tips. Whatever, I will never suggest anybody to buy fans online. If there is some rarity or rare case, then you may buy, but it's totally your own risk. Don't claim it's the company's problem. So the thing is that the Amazon delivery is very poor, or the Flipkart delivery is also like poor. So now in some, means not every time they deliver damaged products, but in sometimes they deliver damaged products, and it happened with Satvik. So whatsoever, it's your risk to buy from online. So whatever might be, this was the tip, that if you get the fan from offline in your nearby store, then don't run after online services in sake of discount, because in the offline store you can check the fan, run the fan, or see the fan, what's wrong. They will instantly replace the unit in the shop only, but in online you have to press the replacement button and it will take long time. So I will suggest to check fans from offline if there is no exception. So whatever might be, let's proceed to Satvik's video, and obviously remember, don't forget to subscribe to Satvik Jacobs channel and also my channel. My name is Shorodip Biswas. You will search in the YouTube and get a channel regarding this kind of fan stuff, electrical stuff, unboxing and reviews. So go check my channel, go check Satvik's channel and subscribe to both the channels to get the latest updates regarding electrical appliances. So let's proceed in the video.
So guys, you can see that the exhaust is refitted now. It's refitted with the Havells heavy duty exhaust fan blade that the service center gave me. They took away the old blade and put this Havells heavy duty exhaust fan blades. You can see. You can also see that they have a screw like this in the end for balancing on one blade, on a single blade they have. This is the heavy duty exhaust fan blade. They gave this for free. They replaced it free of cost, and then they fitted the exhaust also free of cost, but we gave them a small tip or a small fee of 100 rupees for giving for doing their job. So Havells customer care is really good, and I like that. Like, you should buy more products from Havells, because the price at which they give is not that worthy, but the services they give, that is really worthy. Now let me show you the working of this one. Oh wow, the air throw is really nice. It's increased more than the original blade. The original blade is less heavier than this one. This is more heavier and this throws out more air. This is also thicker. Then the next thing I'm impressed is that this motor can handle these blades. Like, if you put an industrial exhaust fan motor on blades on some other exhaust, they will like not give you the full performance, but this is giving the exact same performance that it had with the original blade. The same performance it is giving with this heavy duty blade. I'm really impressed, and the motor is really designed very well. The windings and all, the shaft, the bearings are all designed to handle blades of any kind in this size. So I'm really impressed with this exhaust. Even though the construction is little bit bad, the motor is really good, and I want to thank Havells also for giving me such a good service. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you later.